Hi, so we're going to talk about integers. So let's start with adding. Let's say we have -7 plus -3. Since they have the same sign, it's a lot easier. So all you do is you add 7 and 3 for a total of 10. Then you keep the sign, which is negative. So the answer has to be a negative. The answer is -10. Okay, so what if they have different signs? Let's say 7 plus -3. So what you would do is subtract, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Then you would take the sign of the higher number, and since 7 is greater than -3, 7 is greater than 3, the answer is positive, so the answer is 4. Okay, so what about subtraction? So let's say we have -6 minus 4. What you would do is you would have to change you would have to bring down the -6 and change the minus to a positive and change the 4 to a -4. And then you would solve it like a regular addition problem. And since they are both negative, the answer has to be negative, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is -10. Okay. Let's talk about multiplication. So let's say we have 3 times -5. Different signs always equal a negative, and same signs always equal a positive. Multiplication. So 3 times -5 has to be a negative, since they're different signs. And then you just multiply 3 times 5, which is 15, and the answer is -15. But if they have the same signs, like -5 times -2, it would equal positive, and you just multiply 5 and 2, and you get 10. Okay, so division has the same rules as multiplication. So same signs equal a positive, and different signs equal a negative. And so -8 divided by -2. That's wrong. Oh, -8 divided by -2. You would, since they have the same signs, the answer has to be a positive. Okay, it has to be a positive, and you would just divide 8 and 2, and you would get 4. So the answer is +4. Okay, so if they have different signs, like 12 divided by a -4. Since they have different signs, the answer has to be a negative. And we just divide normally. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer is -3. And that's how you add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers.